Forests are one of nature's great providers, a source of water and food security. They also give us everything from paper and medicine to renewable energy, low-tech air conditioning, and air cleansers. They protect and enrich biodiversity and are a major tool in the fight against climate change. 25% of all modern medicines come from tropical forest plants, including 2/3 of all cancer-fighting drugs, as well as saving people's lives. These medicinal plants are worth a staggering $108 billion a year. Trees in forests communicate with each other through a fungal network, or wood wide web. Fungi have fine threads that spread underground called mycelium. Trees use mycelium like an underground internet to link with other trees and plants. They use these networks to communicate, such as to warn each other of danger. They also use them to share nutrients, such as older trees will pass nutrients to their offspring that are growing nearby. These partnerships are called mycorrhiza. The world is witnessing a net loss of 3.3 million hectares of forest area a year. However, more than 20 developing countries have improved food security while maintaining or increasing forest cover. This shows that it is not necessary to cut down forests for agriculture in order to reduce hunger. Actually, it's quite the opposite. We need to manage forest sustainability so that they can remain healthy, provide a variety of goods and services, and even support agriculture, livestock, and fishery production. Almost 900 million people, mostly in developing countries, are involved in wood fuel and charcoal production. 2.4 billion people worldwide, or 1 in 3, use wood fuel to cook meals, making wood energy a major contributor to food security and nutrition. Wood fuel provides 40% of today's global renewable energy supply, as much as solar, hydroelectric, and wind power combined, and demand for bioenergy is soaring. There's a 2,400-year-old giant honey mushroom in Oregon, covering 2,200 acres, slowly killing off the trees in the forest. Every year on 21st of March, the world celebrates the International Day of Forests. There's a 390-acre tract of virgin old-growth forest in central Pennsylvania. It features ancient hemlock trees. This area was conserved because of a land dispute between logging companies in the 1900s. There exists an underwater forest in Lake Kennedy, Kazakhstan, that was created after an earthquake in 1911 triggered a large landslide blocking the gorge and forming a natural dam. Tropical and subtropical moist broadleaf forests are sometimes called jungles or rainforest. Although these are two different biomes, rainforests have tall trees that create a thick canopy that makes it hard for light to penetrate to the forest floor. The jungle, on the other hand, surrounds the rainforest and is home to a dense growth of vegetation and plants. Jungle areas receive more sunlight because of the lack of tall trees. Spending time in woods and forests, or even just around trees, is proven to boost our health and well-being. Lots of research provide evidence that woods benefit our health. Studies have shown that patients with views of trees out their windows heal faster and with fewer complications. Children with ADHD show fewer symptoms when they have access to nature. Being near trees helps our concentration by reducing mental fatigue. One study discovered that a forest stroll had beneficial effects on blood pressure, heart rate, and the immune system.